Join me as I dive into the challenge of figuring out if I really need to protect my family with insurance after getting married. When you get married, you're not just committing to loving each other, you're also making a promise to protect and take care of one another. And that's where insurance comes in. It's a crucial step in shielding your family from life's uncertainties. But, let's be honest, it can be overwhelming, especially for newlyweds. You're already navigating so many changes, from merging finances to adjusting to a new life together. But, trust me, it's worth taking the time to understand and prioritize insurance. Many of us have misconceptions about insurance. We might think it's only for older people or that it's too expensive. Or, we might assume that our employer provided coverage is enough. But the reality is, insurance is essential for anyone who wants to build a secure future for their family. Another common challenge couples face is procrastination. We put off dealing with insurance because it seems too complicated or boring. But, the consequences of not having adequate insurance can be devastating. Some couples may think they're too healthy to need health insurance, or that they're not making enough money to justify life insurance. But the truth is, accidents can happen to anyone, and the financial burden of medical bills or funeral expenses can be crippling. And then there are those who are simply unaware of the different types of insurance available to them. For instance, did you know that you can get insurance to cover your income in case you're unable to work due to illness or injury? Regardless of the reasons, not having insurance can have severe consequences, and I'm not just talking about the financial implications. The stress and anxiety that come with uncertainty can put a huge strain on your relationship. So, let's get informed and take control of our financial future. Health insurance is a no-brainer. It's essential for protecting your family from medical expenses that can quickly add up. But, life insurance and property insurance are just as crucial. Life insurance can provide a financial safety net for your loved ones in the event of your passing, while property insurance can protect your home and belongings from unforeseen events like natural disasters or theft. Imagine this. You're 30 years old, and you and your spouse have just welcomed your first child. You're excited to start this new chapter, but you're also aware of the added responsibilities that come with parenthood. You've been puttering along with the insurance provided by your employer, but you haven't given much thought to what would happen if something were to happen to you or your partner. And then, tragedy strikes. One of you gets into a serious accident, leaving the other with a mountain of medical bills and funeral expenses. This is exactly what happened to Sarah and Mike, a young couple who thought they were invincible. They were forced to deplete their savings and take on debt to cover the expenses, all while trying to come to terms with their new reality. Sarah and Mike's story is a stark reminder of the importance of having adequate insurance. It's not just about financial protection, it's about having peace of mind, knowing that your family is protected no matter what life throws your way. As they navigated the aftermath of their tragedy, they realized that having insurance would have made a world of difference. They wouldn't have had to worry about the financial burden, and they could have focused on healing and rebuilding their lives. Protecting your family with insurance is not just a smart financial move, it's a necessity. It's about taking care of those you love, and giving them the security they deserve. So, don't wait until it's too late, take control of your insurance today, and give your family the peace of mind they deserve. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on insurance? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about financial planning for newlyweds, be sure to check out my next video. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or call 224-433-5754.